Welcome to the city of Tabuk in the province of Kalinga, the hybrid rice capital of the Philippines.
Tuloy po kayo sa Tabuk City, ang tinatawag na City of Life. Ito ang unang pagdiriwang ng pagiging syudad ng Tabuk at pampitong selebrasyon ng Mataguan Festival.
Naging syudad ito sa pamamagitan ng trabaho ni former Congressman Waknang when he filed the bill in 1998. Pagkatapos, it took several years bago naging approved yung bill on March 23, 2007. So immediately after naging batas yun, ang ginawa namin na sumunod is to make an arrangement sa COMELEC para iset namin yung date ng plebiscito. Because within 6 days, we have to conduct the plebiscite. So, ang agreement namin sa COMELEC ay June 23, 2007, yung plebiscito. But it was only at 1:30 in the morning of June 24 na naiproklama yung resulta ng plebiscito na overwhelming yung panalo ng yes. Kaya nagiging syudad na ang Tabuk effective June 24, 2007. So, ngayon, this is the first founding anniversary. Kasi June 24 ay yung araw na ipronoklama ng COMELEC ang resulta ng plebiscito. Kaya yun ang araw din na nagiging syudad ng Tabuk, hindi yung araw ng plebisito.
Tinatawag na Mataguan ng pista dahil ito ang salitang Kalinga na ang ibig sabihin ay pagsasaya. At para sa mga Tabukenyo, ang salitang Mataguan ay lugar ng buhay. Ng pagsibol ng sibilisasyon sa Tabuk, may kitang buhay na buhay pa rin ang tradisyon nila.
The 7th Mataguan Festival open!
Para sa mga Tabukenyo, ang pag-unlad ay hindi paglimot ng kulturang kinagisnan.
allow me to congratulate you on the celebration of your first city founding
anniversary, which is considered as the birthday celebration to many as well. It is indeed an honor and a privilege to be part of the first city founding anniversary celebration of the city of Tabuk. More so, no imbitaran na ka as guest speaker during this very historical occasion. Agsipod ta may salaran with the first city founding anniversary. It is more challenging to chart something that is inexistent, more so when you have to envision or craft, plan, and execute a first try of any kind. And so any stumbling block, for that matter, that is overturned along the way becomes more gratifying as it becomes a feather on the cap. Kaya kung ibagay dyan, any first, whether it is the first try, it is the first kiss that you want me to witness, whether it is the first agri-Olympics, any first event for that matter in the Cordillera, I make it a point, if I can, I will always go.
Sa pagbabalik, ating tunghayan ng mga produktong ipinagmamalaki ng Tabuk City.